AMI, area median income. Why is this important for first-time home buyers? What does it mean? We're going to go through that today and our Home Possible and Home Ready loan programs available for first-time home buyers. So welcome to Midweek Mortgage Talk. Here are some facts about first-time home buyers. The average salary of a first-time home buyer is $86,500. The median home price for a first-time home buyer is $252,000. Average down payment is 7% of the purchase price, and the average age of a first-time home buyer is 33 years old. And we have a lot of demand coming up with the millennial generation and coming into the home market right now being that average age. So home area median income. So what does that mean? The area median income in the Chicagoland area is $105,700. So $105,700. Now, why is that important? Because if you make under that as a first-time home buyer, you can avoid loan level price adjustments and possibly get a better interest rate for your loan. So whenever you get a conventional financing, it either goes to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. There are loan level price adjustments for credit score, if you're buying a condo, the occupancy, the down payment. So there's a lot of pricing adjustments that come into play when we're selling loans to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Well, with this 100% AMI income limit program, the area median income limit, if you make $105,700 or less, you can avoid those loan level price adjustments, saving you hundreds of dollars a month, and sometimes even thousands a year. Why? Because you will be able to obtain a lower interest rate. Now, this is not available to all lenders. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, your bigger companies will have this, but you're not going to be able to get this at your smaller companies. So we do have this available. It's our first-time homebuyer AMI cap at 105,700. So if you're buying a condo and let's say you have a 660 credit score, well, if you fall into that income limit and you're first-time homebuyer, you're going to get the going rate out there without those pricing adjustments, which is in the low sixes right now. If you were to get a regular Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loan, now we're talking a rate into the high sixes or low sevens. So that kind of gives you an idea of how much you're saving. So quite a bit, you might be able to save even 1% on the interest rate. So it's a great program for first-time home buyers out there. It's not available to everyone. Please let me know if I can help out. Now, you also have the option to go with a Home Possible and Home Ready. Now, Home Possible is Freddie Mac's version, and Home Ready is Fannie Mac's version of this. But you can only go up to 80% of the median income limit. So what does that mean? That's income level of $84,560 per year or less. Now, the nuance to that one is you don't have to be a first-time homebuyer where the other one is a first-time homebuyer program. You can be a repeat buyer to go with the Home Possible or Home Ready program, but the income limits are less. Same thing. You avoid those loan level price adjustments by going with these programs. It's important to talk to someone experienced. I've been doing this over 20 years. We've got a great team behind us at Fairway. I'm actually having a first time, we're going to be talking about some of these programs. We're going to be talking about some down payment assistance options, some affordable housing products for our home buyers out there. Next Tuesday, April 18th, I'm going to put the link in the comments again. Feel free to join us. We're going to be talking about a lot of this stuff and how you have to be prepared with all this demand in our market today, especially with interest rates approaching their lows for the year. So looking forward to seeing you next Tuesday. And if you miss me, I'll see you Wednesday on Midweek Mortgage Talk.